Hi, and welcome to Steward Market. In this video, we'll walk through how to build a strong partner profile. Partner profiles work differently from seller listings and buyer profiles. Sellers and buyers may need privacy while exploring sensitive ownership transitions. Partners are meant to be discoverable. Your profile is public by design. Your business name, website, service categories, location, and profile details should be clear, credible, and easy to understand. The goal is to help align people find you across the platform. This includes sellers preparing for ownership transition, buyers looking for support to acquire and steward a business well, and other ecosystem partners who may want to collaborate with you. For example, an attorney may find a finance professional who shares their values. An ESOP advisor may find a lender who understands employee ownership. A capital provider may find operators, diligence providers, or integration experts who can help make a better transition possible. Your partner profile is not just a directory listing. It's a way to become visible inside an ecosystem of people trying to do ownership transition differently. Let's walk through the profile flow. Step 1. Business basics. First, complete business basics. This includes your business name, website URL, service provider types, deal size supported, location, business snapshot, and profile images. Use your real business or organization name. Add your website so users can learn more and reach you easily. For service provider types, choose the categories that accurately describe your work, such as legal advisor, accounting or tax advisor, EOT advisor, impact strategy advisor, or governance advisor. For deal size supported, select the transaction sizes of businesses you are truly equipped to support. Complete the business snapshot and who we serve. Explain who you help, what problems you solve, and which clients, transactions, or ownership transitions are the best fit. This is also a good place to mention who you like partnering with, such as attorneys, lenders, tax advisors, or integration consultants. Finally, upload profile images, such as your logo, team photo, or a neutral image connected to your work. Step 2. Business details. This is where you'll share your values, certification, ownership identity, and optional introduction video. For values and commitments, choose the principles that genuinely reflect how you operate and advise clients. These values help sellers and buyers assess fit. They also help other partners recognize whether you are working towards similar outcomes. For certifications, add current and accurate third-party certifications, memberships, licenses, or standards. Ownership identity is optional and self-selected. Step 3. Transaction information. This section helps users understand how they can work with you and how other partners might work alongside you. First, select your stewardship objectives. These are the outcomes you care most about supporting, such as mission continuity, employee ownership, patient capital, or community impact. Then select your stewardship models you actively support. This might include worker cooperative transition or hybrid stewardship models. Then complete our role in ownership transitions. This is one of the most important fields in your profile. Explain what you do in a transaction or transition: legal counsel, post-close transition, founder readiness, employee ownership conversion. Make the answer practical. Users should know when to call you and when to refer someone to you. Then select where and when we typically enter the process. Then select where and when we typically enter the process. This helps sellers, buyers, and other partners understand when to bring you in, whether that's an early exploration, diligence, or post-transaction governance. Finally, select outcomes we're optimized for. And complete our intent as stewards. Use this to explain the results your work is designed to support and the principles that guide your work. This is where the ecosystem understands not just what you do, but how you think. Impact Exit. The next screen asks whether you want to participate in the Impact Exit Fund. Participation is optional. If you choose to participate, you're signaling interest in contributing a small portion of the fees or transaction-related value after a completed engagement to support the next generation of mission-driven entrepreneurs or mission-driven acquirers. There's no obligation and no pressure. Yes or no are both valid. And finally, review and submit. Ask yourself, does this clearly explain who you are? Does this make our services easy to understand? Does this show when sellers, buyers, or other partners should come to us? Does this describe the ownership models and outcomes we actually support? A strong partner profile should be specific, public, and easy to act on. The goal is to be discoverable by the right people, aligned clients and aligned collaborators who share your values and want to help better ownership transitions happen. Use your profile to show the Steward Market ecosystem where you fit, how you help, and what kinds of transitions you are here to support. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Steward Market.